Good morning, fellow gardeners. This is Paul, and today I'm going to talk about this product that Oceanside Dragon Fruit uses. Dr. Earth Flower Girl Bud and Bloom Booster. Low NPK 394, and the ingredients are really simple. Fish bone meal, alfalfa meal, potassium sulfate, feather meal, kelp flour. And I put this product on this Laverne Pink because it was in full canopy growth mode and it had not produced any flower buds, and it was a little yellow. And so Leonardo and Lucky have some of the healthiest plants at their farm that I've ever seen. And between the location, which I know is perfect for dragon fruit, their fertilizer that they're using, this Dr. Earth product, and their growing media, they're having a lot of success with growing dragon fruit. So I gave this Laverne Pink a sample of that product by Dr. Earth, and it turned much greener in 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, about 8 to 10 days. And I'm thoroughly impressed. It also produced a few flower buds here. This one here, and then one here. And it's still in full growth mode on the top, which is great. And one third bud here. So very interesting product. I use it with Vermistera earthworm castings and earthworm castings tea, and I'm very happy with the results on this plant. Now I tried it on a few other plants, and let me go show you what that looks like now. So this is Edgar's Baby. It's much more green after I've applied Dr. Earth's Bud and Bloom. Looks a lot healthier. And then there's also a few more flower buds. One, I believe there's another one. Number 2. So Edgar's Baby has responded really well to Bud and Bloom. And over here, here's Soul Kitchen White. And wow, you can see there are a lot of buds forming on this branch. So I'm excited to experiment more with this product. I want to see if it works well with younger plants, or if it may actually harm them, because we don't want younger plants to produce flower buds. But the color and health of the plants is greatly improved, so I understand why Oceanside Dragon Fruit uses this product. I give us a like and a subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care.